bold decisions. So here we have the next transformation. She has some very long hair as well. So it looks like she decided to shake things up with a bob. Gorgeous. I love how this has like beautiful layers, a lot of texture, creating a lot of volume and lift. Center part down the middle. Such a gorgeous bob. So here we have another bob transformation. This one is more like a jaw length style bob. The stylist puts in some bangs. This is like a French girl style bob. Very cute and chic. A little bit of texture. So here we have someone with long mid-length hair. Looks like she might also be getting a bob. Oh, she's getting more. Oh, she's getting more of like a pixie cut, I would say. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.